Here's my kitty cat. The next YouTube sensation. Yep. There was a sensation of showing your kitty cat sleeping comfortably. What this video is about, May 11th, I'm going to leave a link in the description from May 11th being a very tragic day throughout history. 1934, 1,500-mile long sandstorms in the U.S. deserts, some of the worst tornadoes, and planning to gas the Crimeans. That would be the U.S., UK, plotting against Crimea. Seems like that's a never-ending thing. About 50 years ago, I believe, was on a Thursday, May 11th. Rupert Murdoch was born May 11th. It's about time that old geezer eats some dirt. In any event, I'll leave the link in the description. Get those water bottles filled and stock up on some food if you haven't already.